Morning. Welcome back to the Oasis from inside the greenhouse on December 21st, 2020. It is the winter solstice. We are now in the first minute of the first degree of the age of Aquarius. Welcome to the changes. It's snowing here. Yeah, I'd really hoped that the snow was going to hold off until mid-morning or later, give me a better drive out of here, but I have to leave, so means I'm going to be driving in the snow. It's going to be an extra couple hours of drive time. Nice and cautious, slow. The way it gets there, you know, what's normally an hour and a half drive is probably going to be 2.5, maybe 3 hours. So be it. It is what it is. Not the first time I've driven in snow. First time in a while, but we'll do what we do. Don't have a lot of reports. I did finish the work I needed to finish yesterday, fortunately. I've got other things to do, but this may be snow that keeps the beds covered for the rest of January, February, which means I'll just be in here in the greenhouse. My experiments with the greenhouse, warming the lights and stuff, seem to work for the most part. It warmed it up a bit. The insulation of the snow on top of it will help it a bit. We'll find out if everything goes well. Hopefully it doesn't collapse on us. I mean, worst case scenario, it blows a circuit breaker, but I don't think that'll be a problem. So let's see if I can adjust the camera to grab me some footage, because it's still half an hour to sunrise, give or take. 7:30, sunrise is 8, and with the heavy cloud cover of the snow, it's going to make it, yes, so it should be getting light enough by now, but it's not. Cloud cover is going to make it dark for a while. We'll see if we can get some footage of it at any rate, no matter how it goes. Alright, we'll talk to you all soon. Remember, if you're liking any of this stuff, down below, subscribe, like the videos in particular. If you watch them, just hit the like button. Whether you like it or not, hit the like button. It helps me to, you know, get a little more views in other places. So at any rate, that's all I got. We'll talk to you soon. A little bit. We'll see how it goes. Snow's coming down here at the Oasis, and this will be an interesting time. Week ahead. I'll be back up here for Christmas Day, so I'll be back in 4 days. Might take me a while to drive up here, but it is what it is. Welcome to the winter solstice. All right, let's get out of here.
Watching sleight of hand to see the punch before it landed. Too busy making our demands to notice you weren't open-handed. Too busy writing songs to sing to notice devils on our tail. Too busy selling everything to see the skies are full of hail. And it's a lonely road that leads to hell again. It's a lonely time to close our eyes and count to 10. I'm patching up my soul. 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 Chatting at the bar to notice other sidelong glances. Too busy trying to be seen, to be invited up for dances. Too busy building your career to give yourself a little time. Too busy wishing you were here to to take the time to make words rhyme. And it's a lonely road that leads to well again. And it's a lonely time to close our eyes and count to 10. I'm patching up my soul. 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 Lightening their load to think of your self-preservation. Too busy watching time go by to make a grab for every moment. Too busy reaching for the sky to make your time on earth more potent. And it's a lonely road that leads to well again. And it's a lonely time to close our eyes and count to 10. I'm patching up my soul. I'm patching up my soul. I'm patching up my soul. I'm patching up my soul.
When you're stuck in a groove and your rhythm's gone, you've got to move, gotta move on. When it's hard to smile and the laughter's gone, don't you wait a while, 'cause it's the same old song. You've got to open your mouth and let the words fall out. Ain't nothing gonna change until you do. It ain't easy to do what needs to be done. You've gotta be a man. It's how the West was won. It ain't easy to do what needs to be done. You've gotta be a man. It's how the West was won. You gotta be a man. It's how the West was won. You gotta be a man. It's how the West was won.
Life is so crazy this year. I'm surrounded by anger and fear. I'd like to go out, instead I just pout, 'cause I can't let anyone near. It's hard to know what is real. Now's the time I'd like to forget. I can't see friends, just emails and calls. I can't even shop to buy a new pet. Life is so crazy this year. I'm surrounded by anger and fear. I'd like to go out, instead I just pout, 'cause I can't let anyone near. One day I tried to go out. I was a rebel without a mask, but soon cops were around and I heard beeping sounds. I wanted to hightail it out of there fast. Life is so crazy this year. I'm surrounded by anger and fear. I'd like to go out, instead I just pout, 'cause I can't let anyone near. Mostly each day is the same. News shows filled with darkness and doom. Feels like I'm in a cage. These are such crazy days, with music and movies to fill up the gloom. Life is so crazy this year. I'm surrounded by anger and fear. I'd like to go out, instead I just pout, 'cause I can't let anyone near. Life is so crazy this year.